how to turn on or turn off read caller name allowed for incoming calls on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Now here, so click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on accessibility. So you will see. So after click on accessibility, click on interaction and dexterity. So after click on interaction and dexterity, so scroll down and you will see click on answering and ending calls. So after click on answering and ending calls, you will see read caller name allowed is here. So if you want to turn on read caller name allowed, so turn on this button. So after turn on this button, you will see color name allowed is turn on. So if you want to turn off read color name allowed, so turn off this button. So after turn off this button, you will see read color name allowed is turn off. So you will turn on or turn off read color name allowed from here. So after the process, go back to home screen, refresh phone. So that's how you can turn on or turn off read color name allowed for incoming calls on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So if you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.